cultural icon. The Samba bus has become more than just a vehicle, it is a cultural icon. Its association with the 1960s counterculture and the hippie movement has solidified its place in popular culture. With its vibrant paint jobs, peace signs, and flower decals, the Samba embodies the spirit of freedom, adventure, and self-expression. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. What's with all the windows? The VW Samba bus is renowned for its abundant windows, boasting a remarkable total of 23. Every passenger had a view. The 23-window configuration is highly sought after due to its limited production numbers, making it a prized feature for vintage car enthusiasts. The unique combination of skylight windows, safari windows, and the signature split windshield adds to the Samba's charm and elevates its collectability, making them even more coveted among those who appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of this iconic Volkswagen model. What the heck is a semaphore? One distinctive feature that sets this Samba Microbus apart is its equipped semaphore turn indicators. These unique indicators, often seen in vintage European vehicles, are mechanical devices that use two pivoting arms to communicate the driver's intention to turn or change lanes. When activated, the semaphore arms extend outward from the sides of the vehicle, providing a visual signal to other drivers on the road. Turn signals.